So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the formula to determine the total and the average of, for example, this case I have here, where we have the salesmen being John, Michael, and Joe. You have for the first 3 months of the year, how much did they sell? So you can see here, and then you want to know, for example, what's the total amount of how much John has sold. So it's very simple, the formula. You just have to click on sum. So this formula, as you can see in the description, it will add all the numbers in a range of cells. So we want to know how much did he sell in these 3 months. So we just click like this, and then we close the bracket, and it's $910, for example. You can click in here in the bottom right side of the cell and just drag here, and you have the same results for the other salesman. So when you want to know the average, you can just use the formula literally called average. So as the description says, it will return the average of its arguments, which can be numbers or names, arrays, or reference that contain numbers. It has to contain numbers. That's what you need to know about this formula. So you can just close it, and then you see the average of how much John has sold in the first 3 months. So you can just drag for the other ones, and you can have here what the average of other 2 salesmen. And that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know, just add a comment and I will reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much and have a nice day.